What's up, guys? My name is Cody, and this is my reaction channel. And today we are going to do another Pamungkas song, "Be My Friend." Now I begin to really enjoy Pamungkas, and thanks to Bob for the suggestion. Pretty excited to listen to this song. I don't know much about Pamungkas, but don't even know if I'm saying it right. But here we are. That being said, let's get ready for another emotional ride, I assume. Seems like all his songs are very emotional. I love it. Alright, here we go.
I don't need you perfect, but I just need you wrong.
Got the piano this time.
Just guess you're holding hands with a friend that can understand.
And drums.
I need that, and I'll keep.
Is he playing all the instruments? Wow.
Far away from home, city or beaches.
Oh, they all just look alike.
While I let you to me wrong, breaking my walls down, every bruises, touches by touches, I let you to feel me wrong. You can wait again. You can wait again, that's alright. After all, we're friends. I want you to know me. After all, we're friends. I want you to take me for who I am and what I'm not. The weirdest form of me, the coolest things I did. I want you to be my friend forever, my best friend, be my friend. I don't need you perfect, but I just need you wrong. More than just a kiss or holding hands with a friend that can understand. I need that, and I'll keep that. Now that we back home, city of egos, stories and worries, I'll let you to read me wrong.
It's Dad's favorite song. Tell you what, that is a pretty good song. I loved it. Every time I hear more, it just makes me want to listen to more Pamungkas. It's amazing. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and maybe subscribe to the channel if you want. And the most importantly, please leave a comment down below and any suggestions, requests, or any feedback or anything. I would very much appreciate it. And that being said, I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.